Endelea kidogo bana. Mnaacha masherehe haraka namna gani? Kombo, kombo. Beba huyo.
My son has brought me to this far, so I want to thank God because He has given me the children who are proud, and I always want to thank Him always. Thanks.
Na shule imekuwa ikiandikisha matokeo mema tangia hapo awali, na leo pia ni siku moja wapo. Ushirikiano umekuwaje kati yako kama mzazi ama yenu kama wazazi na walimu wa shule hii ili kuhakikisha kwamba matokeo?
Hatuna shida na walimu, tulikuwa vizuri, kila kitu ilikuwa sawa sawa na mtoto alikuwa anatii vizuri. Naombea mema.
Said Jared Orina, father to Agri Said Orina, who was being a student in Kisii school, who was scored an A plane of 82 points. I'm so happy for the results. I've been waiting for these results. I never anticipated that he'll be one of the top seekers, but God has allowed everything to happen. We thank Him more than 1 billion times because He has brought us this far.
My son has brought me to this far, so I want to thank God because He has given me the children who are proud.
My name is Enfa. I'm mother to Benjamin Makini, who has just spoken. I want to thank God so much because He has made us proud by making Benjamin, who is our last born son, to really excel very well. We thought that several times we thought that he is going to make it, but we were not very sure that he has to get an A. A plane was like kisungumuti mkuti kidogo. But towards the end, I want to appreciate the school management led by their principal and their class teacher, Madam Judy, that he encouraged these students to really to work very hard. And I'm very happy that Benjamin now is going to take the career that he has been dreaming about, because he has been thinking about being an engineer.